Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with two essentials, a clear goal and a color plan. Pick one color for urgent items, another for definitions, and a third for questions. Once done, write 3 7-words on each note. Use a bold pen so it reads at a glance. Place the first sticky at the top corner of the page or on the margin where your eye naturally goes. This sets a consistent anchor. It saves time when scanning later and prevents random placement that creates clutter. Now integrate stickies into your workflow. Fold one for a tab or lay it flat as a margin note. Use arrows to connect a sticky to a paragraph or diagram. Once you have several, number them to show order or hierarchy so you avoid flipping back and forth. Make each note a single idea, keyword, formula, or quick prompt, because brevity makes review efficient. If multiple related notes appear, group them visually. This creates mini-clusters that reveal structure at a glance. Finish by turning temporary notes into lasting knowledge. At least once a week, review your stickies, transfer key points to a summary page or digital note, and discard what's resolved. Make sure to archive crucial stickies in a notebook pocket or scan them. This prevents loss. If things get cluttered, consolidate. Combine 2 or 3 related stickies into one clear summary. If a sticky falls off, reattach with a small piece of tape or rewrite it immediately. This preserves continuity and prevents detail loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.